So oil, I have taken 1/4 cup of oil. Now we are going to whisk this mixture together. So we are going to mix this until the oil and the sugar and curd mixture is completely homogeneous. We shouldn't see any oil floating on the top of the curd and sugar mixture. So now I'll be adding baking powder. This is 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda. I am going to mix this very well. So after adding baking powder and baking soda, we are going to leave this mixture for rest because the curd and baking powder and baking soda will react with each other and it will form bubbles. So let us put this mixture for rest. Now in another bowl, I am going to take 1 cup of all-purpose flour. This is 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. And a pinch of salt. We are now going to sieve this. So I have sieved the dry ingredients. So the basic purpose of sieving the dry ingredients is to give the aeration to the ingredients. So the cupcakes will be airy when we have a bite to it.